Hello everyone, and we'll continue our discussion on making pipelines and how we can put all our transformation together on the data processing stage. And I am learning machine learning, and I'm using Aurélien Géron's book, the scikit-learn book. The link is in the description. So let us now do continuing the previous discussion where it was in the last section. So now we'll construct our my pipeline. We'll do the label attributes, and we'll say construct another pipeline. So the first thing that we need is always get the array, right? Get the array, and here it is. We'll pass the label attribute, which is the list of the last column name, the ocean proximity thing. And now we had only one thing for here, the one hard encoder, right? And then here what we are going to do is to pass the label binarizer, right? And then I can, if I want, I can do the sparse I can do the sparse output equal to true thing. Okay, and then I close my list and then close it. So now let us do my pipeline, right? Dot. So see, we are getting this error. It takes two positional argument, but so let us try it separately. What we have to do is, right, I say L, my output will be, I'll take the I pass the label to the get matrix, and then I pass the df. Okay, so now let us do the label binarizer with L. Okay, so it works fine. So what we do is a simple hack for this problem. We will do a custom transformer, and we will use the label binarizer in this fashion. So you could also look at, for example, there is a good discussion on Stack Overflow about this. So let us write a class. So we can say class my label binarizer. So same idea. We'll say def init is not columns, say star keys. So this is basically dictionary unpacking. So we are going to collect anything. Suppose when you call the label binarizer or my label bin, anything, any key value pair will be put into the keys dictionary. So I can say self.keys equal to keys, and then I'm going to do the same thing, fit, right, and return a self. And then here I can say transform, and then I say return. Here what we have to do is we are going to use return the label binarizer, and we'll call the keys in there, and then we'll do the fit transform on x. Okay, so label binarizer, this star self dot keys basically unpacks any, for example, sparse output equal to true in that fashion. Thus it unpacking the dictionary. So now we can see if it's working. So this is the L that we just constructed previously, and so it is working fine. So now we can update our pipeline and say my, right here I'm going to put, what was where to put my binarizer. Okay, so now we'll see if it's working. My pipeline lab dot, so it's working fine. It is giving us the it is giving us the one hot encoding, right? So one of the things now is that, so we have done the numerical attribute transformations, and we've also prepared the categorical, the label attributes. So one thing we can do is we can use the FeatureUnion, which is provided by scikit-learn, and we can put them both together. So from scikit-learn.pipeline, right, import FeatureUnion, and basically so total total pipe, okay, equal to feature union again as a list of tuples. So we have to just provide some kind of string. So what is this? First thing was the numerical, and a type numerical, a list, that is the name of the thing that we constructed, and we have a label, right? We can put label or a categorical attribute, and it's a label attribute. So now I can see basically simply call the fit transform on the df. So it's working fine. So now we have written the pipelines, and we have did the label. In this particular video we did the categorical attributes, the label attributes, and we have written the pipelines for that. And we also combined the one we wrote previously in the previous video where we discussed the numerical attributes and put them together in the feature union, and we have transformed the whole data. So now yes, I believe it is easy to follow, and as I said, the book that I'm following is Aurélien Géron's the scikit-learn and the tensorflow book. And thank you very much for watching.